ஹலோ நண்பா. நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் லாஸ்ட் வீக்கான கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க. 19th December. Who has taken over as the head of Chiefs Staff Committee? Naravane, who has been appointed by the French fashion house Chanel's in the new global CEO. Lina Nair. Which bank has recently tied up with Swift to provide digital banking solutions? Axis Bank. Who has released his new book, Pride? Dr. Shashi Tharoor, who will host the 11-day Lokrang Mahotsav at Jaipur. Extra question of the day from GK. Which state's Ashok Wildlife Sanctuary has been declared as eco-sensitive zone? Uttarakhand. 20th December. Which country's defense minister has been given the highest civilian honor of Narendra Modi? Bhutan. Who has joined Software Technologies Parks of India as Director General? Mr. Arvind Kumar. Who has been announced to set up Marma Medical Training Center? Uttarakhand. Which country's defense minister, Florence Parly, has recently visited India? Paris Defense Minister. The book Raj Kapoor, The Master at Work, is written by Rahul Rawali. Extra question from GK. Who has topped the Basic Literacy Index recently? West Bengal. 21st December. Which country forcibly passed the Prevention of Religion Act recently? America. Which bank has been authorized by RBI to collect indirect tax? Reserve Bank of India. Which state government has recently declared the Thai Vajstu as its state song? Tamil Nadu. Who has become the new CEO of VM Software? Ananda Ishwaran. Recently, which bank has been fined by rupees 1.8 crore by RBI? PNB. Extra question of the day. Who has launched National Unity Greet composed by NCC cadets? Rajnath Singh. 22nd December. Which country has been affected by the most super typhoon Rai? Philippines. Who has launched job portal Rojgar Sarathi for differently abled? Nitin Gadkari. India, Iran and which country has agreed to joint use of Chabar port? Uzbekistan. From where has Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of Ganga Expressway? Shahjahanpur. Who has been appointed as the President of India Newspaper Society? Mohin Jain. Extra question from GK. Which has become the most expensive selling tea of the country? Manori Golden Tea. 23rd December. Which state has tied up with UNCDF to start Mission Shakti Living Lab for financial empowerment of the women? Odisha government. SpaceX has launched how many Starlink satellites from California base? 52. In which country a 2300-year-old Buddhist temple has been found? At Pakistan. Who has written the book The Monk Who Transformed Uttar Pradesh on Yogi Adityanath? Chantana Gupta. Who has become the new MD of Hyundai Motor India Limited? Naravane. Who has become the most affected country by the spam calls in 2021? Brazil. 24th December. Which country has signed a letter of intent with India in the field of media? Telangana. Who has been appointed as the new director of NCRB? Vivek Gojia. Which state government has launched Udan Yojana? Rajasthan state government. Who has been appointed as the new Chancellor of Austria? Karl Nehammer. Who has authored the book India's Ancient Legacy of Wellness? Dr. Lekha Chaudhary. Extra question of the day from sports. Who has won the BBC Sports Personality Award for the year 2021? Emma Raducanu. 25th December. Which state has become the third state to pass a bill for the prevention of mob lynching? Jharkhand. Who has been appointed as the new MD/CEO of BrahMos Aerospace? Atul Dinkar Rane. Which state government has recently announced reservation in police for transgender? Karnataka. According to recent WADA report, who is on the top of violating anti-doping rules? Russia. The chief minister of which state has given the tag of the festival Jannath Rath Yatra? Punjab. Extra question of the day from GK. Which university has won Digital Innovation of the Year award? OP Jindal Global University. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவில் லாஸ்ட் வீக்கான கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் அவ்வளோதான் நண்பா. மறக்காமல் இது யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தால் உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். அண்ட் நீங்கள் நம்ம சேனலுக்கு புதுசாக இருந்தால் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். அண்டில் தென் இட்ஸ் பாய் ஃப்ரம் மிஸ்டர் ஃபினிக்ஸ்.